It's vegan recipes with Pat and Emily.
Hi, today at It's Vegan, I am going to make a Tartastic Bundt cake. To start off, I am going to take some ground flaxseed and add some water. We are going to fake an egg. I'm going to get that started, and then we're going to set it aside. We will come back to this later. In my bowl here, I already have flour and some sugar. To that, I'm going to add baking powder, salt, baking soda, ground cloves, and some cardamom. Stir this all together. And then I'm also going to set that aside. Here is the start of our wet ingredients. This has some applesauce and vanilla and almond extract in it. To that, we are going to add orange juice and orange zest. We're going to do that next. This is zesting an orange. I just wanted to let you guys see. Just take a grater and scrape the peel off, and I'm going to do this until I have a full tablespoon. There we go. I'm going to add this to my wet ingredients. Then I am also going to juice oranges until I have a half a cup of orange juice. I find it usually takes about 2 oranges to get a half a cup of orange juice.
How long do you have to bake your stuff for?
30 to 35. We'll check it and see if a knife comes out clean. The orange juice gets added to the wet ingredients also. Then I'm going to add our faked egg in, set that aside. And we want to, since we're using these fresh cranberries, we want to half all of them. I'm doing an old-timey vegetable spray since I don't have any. Just rub some coconut oil in there, and then I'm going to take some flour and dust it since we don't have any cooking spray. We coated this with coconut oil, and then we're just shaking some flour around in there until we have it coated. All of the dry ingredients are mixed together, and all of our wet ingredients are mixed together. And now we are going to combine them. You don't want to overmix this batter. You just want to incorporate it till everything is nice and evenly wet. It's already smelling good and citrusy. Now that all of our wet and dry ingredients are incorporated, we are going to fold in our cranberries. And it is a lot of cranberries for this, but like I said, this is Tartastic. Once you got all the cranberries sticking in there, we're going to get our Bundt pan. So then I'm just going to distribute this batter down along inside of our Bundt pan, and this has already been prepped. We did the flour and the coconut oil to prevent sticking. You could just use some cooking spray if you have that. Just smooth around the top a little bit. The oven is already preheated. And we will have the recipe below and also a link to a printable PDF if you want to go and print that out. I'm going to come in so you can get a close-up of this, and it's going into the oven. We'll be back in 30-35 minutes. Right guys, I almost forgot. We're going to make some icing for this. So I took some water and vanilla and powdered sugar, and we're just going to mix this together. You know, it looks like there's like no water in here, but we want this to be like a thick paste. I also want this to be a little extra thick because it's probably going to go on there a while. Our Bundt cake is still warm, and we don't want it to melt too much and disappear. It's going to be a sweet, delicious paste. Alright, so quick look at the icing. If you can see it, maybe. I don't know. We'll be back. I pulled this out of the oven, and I took a knife and I went around the edges here. It's been sitting out for a minute or two. I'm I'm gonna get it cool enough that I can handle it and deal with it. I wonder if I can just, oh, I think it fell out. Awesome! This is still a little warm. And like I said, we made our icing kind of thick because I was planning on putting it on here warm. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna end up melting on there. Oh yeah, there we go. And then to top it off, I had a little bit of orange zest left from before. Just this over the top. Oh, it looks so pretty. All right, we icinged it all up and cut a few pieces. I'm here with Tina. She's never had it. Time for our taste test. Oh, cheers!
Salud.
I love how tiny it is.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not really usually into desserts like this. I love my dessert to be chocolate.
You can really taste the orange.
And the fresh cranberries and a little bit of icing on top.
Oh my gosh, that orange really makes it.
I think it would be a great addition to any holiday party. Thanks, guys. Come back and see us next week. The bloopers are to follow. Oh, it's goobing down there. Perfect. Goobing down. That's a technical baking term. Goobing down the sides.
That's what. All right, just turn that off for a second.